Alright, let's see how this works. We have a dandelion here. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to work, but we're going to go to the center, step, a little hard right here, and then twist. Pull up, and then push this to eject it. And let's check how much of the root we got. It's kind of not fair. I don't feel that. Not looking good. Well, I guess that's good enough, although it started rooting out in two different directions. A dandelion tends to have a root like this big. In reality, the best time to pull up a dandelion is right after it rains, where the ground is wet. You can literally go out there with your hand, pull it, and you'll get the whole root. But that's what I just did. That's good enough.